Hi everyone, I'm David Lewis, and for over 10 years I've had the privilege of helping students unlock their full potential in maths. We've listened, we've learned, and we've poured all that experience into something truly special, the Maths Academy. And I'm thrilled to introduce my new colleague David Langley, who joins us from a well-known maths school. He's taught over 3,000 students in the last 3 years. Together, we've designed a comprehensive program which goes far beyond traditional grinds. We're here to help you master your math skills and for you to achieve your academic goals. At the Maths Academy, we offer 2 top-tier, exam-focused maths classes every week. And if you can't make it in person, you can even attend the grinds online.
And complementing those, we have our incredibly popular 1-hour live Sunday workshops with me. These are interactive, energizing, and truly student-led sessions, giving you the chance to dive deep into any areas that you find challenging. But the Maths Academy is so much more than just grinds classes. We provide a complete support system. Your investment gives you access to our Supervised Study Lounge in our state-of-the-art new campus in Blackrock. It is a quiet, structured place for focused study.
And to ensure you are fully prepared, we provide our own Maths Academy mock examinations with detailed solutions. Plus, all our maths grinds come with my personal maths notes, a comprehensive, expertly designed revision tool that's ideal for continuous learning.
You'll also get 40 hours of on-demand video maths tutorials.
Our unique teaching methodology, combined with years of experience, empowers students to master exam strategies and build confidence.
Join us at the Maths Academy, where your ambition meets our expertise in a supportive, exam-focused environment. Let's chat. We are ready to help you achieve your best.
I was worried going into 6th year about maths because obviously it has the extra 25 points, but David really gave me loads of encouragement and helped me throughout the year, and then I ended up getting my H1 in maths, which I was really happy about.